So to create Google Classroom, virtual classroom, you go to your Gmail, you click the three buttons, you go to Classrooms. As you see, it's a blank classroom. You click on Create Class, red, continue. You name the class. Okay, I will name it third one, English. Third grade. Subject, let's say English. Okay. Let's say 17. Okay. Create. That's the classroom. Okay, I can customize it using different photos. I can use this or that. I'll go for, let's say, this is all I have. English and history. Let's say English and history. Arts, sports, other, science, English, general. Maybe this, okay. Select class here. I can go for pink. Okay, I like pink. That's it. Okay. Here I have to, first of all, I have to add people. This is me, teacher. I have to add students. Click here. Add Hajar, رؤيا, يحيى شلك, يحيى مشري, يوسف أسواب, also more Jana. Okay, I have 7 students. Invite. Okay, click here, action, email students so that they can invite and accept my invite. Yeah. Link or invitation to the virtual classroom. Okay, that's it. Go back here. Now that I have the class, the students, I need to go to the classwork, create. First of all, I have to create a topic. I will call it grammar. Okay, add the topic. In here, I will add the material. Schedule across multiple classes. Let's say simple past. Here you can find a summary of the simple past tense. Okay, I can attach a link from YouTube or from the Drive, or upload. I can upload from the Drive, or from the drive here. I don't have things on the drive for the moment where I can create. If I don't create, I will no, don't want to create. So from YouTube, I can for example here go to the simple past video I made earlier, copy the link. Okay, I can do that. Copy the link first. Okay, let me copy the link and add it to here. So that's the video that I'm adding.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Also, I want to attach from the drive, so I need to save the documents in drive so I can add it to the class. So here I'm opening the drive, recent this add. So I'm adding a YouTube video link and a PDF document about past simple. I think I'm done. Create. So simple past is posted. I can add also other topic. Let's say vocabulary.
Here I can copy the link or the code of the classroom so I can send it to the students so they can join the classroom easily. Either I can send them the code via email or via WhatsApp. The last step is to invite or schedule a video conference with the students so I can plan a presentation or something like that. I can schedule it on the calendar and send them to the students.